What's up, you guys? It's Brandi. Thank you for tuning in to my channel. Today I'm coming on with a slightly different video today. I'm very excited about it. If you guys have been watching my videos for natural hair videos and tutorials, then you should be excited today as well, because I'm going to be doing a Curlkit unboxing video, but it's also going to be a demo using every last product that's in this month's box. I'm really excited about this because it's been a minute since I've done Curlkit unboxings on my channel, and you guys might have been wondering why. Some of you might not have cared at all, but the reason that I haven't really been doing unboxing videos is because I haven't been impressed by the boxes for like the past 5 or 6 months. It's just been a lot of lackluster products within them that seem really cheap to me, and then also products that are repeats from other months' boxes. I've just not been impressed by them, and rather than come on and be negative in every single video, I was just like, you know what? I'm not going to do any more videos until I really like what's in the box, and I want to encourage other people to go out and sign up for the subscription service. So anyway, I used every last product in the box today, and this is the result of those products. So I am very, very excited about this video. I want to know what you guys think about my hair before we even start into the products. Do you think this was a success? Was it a win, or what? Before jumping into the actual video part or the demo part and talking about the products and things like that, you guys might not know what Curlkit is. So what it essentially is a monthly subscription service. The box itself is 20 bucks, and then you pay $5 for shipping and handling. So the total would be 25 bucks, which I think is pretty reasonable, especially if you get products within the box that you've been wanting to try, and normally they're really expensive if you just buy one, but if you get them in like a subscription service, it's a little bit cheaper. And a lot of times you might want to try just samples of the products to see if you like it first, so this allows you to do that. Normally it's predominantly natural hair products. There are some months where she will have like beauty items in it, maybe a lipstick, maybe a perfume or something of that nature, but most of the time it's like natural hair products. And a lot of times you get full-size products, you might get some deluxe size products, and you might get like smaller sample size products, but it's normally a variety of products. So if you want to sign up for Curlkit and you've never done so, I actually have a coupon code, which I believe it's 10% off, or either $10 off your very first box. I will leave that code or that link in the description box below. You can also feel free to share that with any family or friends of yours who might want to sign up as well. So April's Curlkit is a takeover by one of my favorite natural hair care brands. If y'all have been following me for a minute, you probably have some sort of idea about who I'm talking about, but I've been using this brand from the very start of my transitioning journey, and I still even use their products consistently now, and I just really, really love the ingredients they have in their products and all of that. So I'm gonna shut up and go ahead and tell you guys the takeover box is by Shea Moisture, and this is one of their newer lines. I believe it's every product from this line within the box. And you guys know I said the box was 25 bucks. If you're familiar with Shea Moisture, you know almost each of their products is at least $9.99. So we've already gone way over that $25 mark if you purchase this box. So going from the very beginning of how I use these products, I'm going to give you like a mini quick first impression review of each of them, so this video won't be too long. So I tried out the shampoo. This is the red palm oil and cocoa butter detangling shampoo with flaxseed oil, and all of these products are supposed to be for curly, coily, shrinkage prone hair. Of course, you know Shea Moisture shampoos are always sulfate free and color safe. You get 13.5 fluid ounces. I normally like all of their shampoos because they're always very gentle on the hair, but they really cleanse your scalp as well. And this says that it's detangling. Like, that's never been on any Shea Moisture shampoos I've tried before, but I have to say, this was really a detangling shampoo. Like, I was able to finger detangle my hair in the shower after a week-old twist out, and I had no trouble at all. Now, the smell of these, they're not really my favorite. I'm not a fan of the cocoa butter smell at all, or red palm oil smell, but it's bearable, I would say. Especially for the shampoo, it's okay because you're gonna layer other products on top. This is kind of the consistency of the shampoo. It's pretty thick, but not super thick where it didn't lather and all of that. So I really did like the shampoo. I'm definitely gonna be using it more often. Now moving on to the leave-in or rinse out conditioner. This is what it looks like. You also get 13 ounces with this one. It's also color safe and sulfate free as well. I don't really know what to say because I feel like I say this with every single rinse out conditioner that Shea Moisture has. It honestly is trash. I really don't like their rinse out conditioners when they're supposed to be rinse out and leave-ins. I tried the raw shea butter one before and it was just like horrible in my hair. I really feel like they should stop making leave-in rinse out conditioners and just make it where you just go straight to deep conditioning your hair or use something else different, because the consistency that they formulate in these is never good. It's super lightweight. It doesn't help you detangle your hair. It doesn't give you moisture to your hair. It's just not a good product at all. So I tried this out in the shower, put it on my hair, and it felt like it still had a coating on it when I rinsed it out. So I was just like, I'm definitely not using this as a leave-in. So I would not recommend this product at all. Now I did end up deep conditioning my hair with another product that's not from this line because I always deep condition every week. So you can definitely feel free to try your own. I don't know if they have a deep conditioner with this line. Like I don't see it on the pamphlet here. So maybe they don't include one at all, which is kind of a bummer because they should have replaced this leave-in rinse out with a deep conditioner instead. So I went ahead on to styling my hair. Did not use a leave-in. This is like the first time ever that I didn't use a leave-in to style my hair. Felt a little weird at first, but I was like, you know what? I'm gonna just move on. We're gonna see what happens. So I ended up using the Curl Stretch Pudding, which I have to say is my favorite product in this entire line. I am a sucker for puddings, really thick, creamy products that give you that nice, it just feels like moisture when you put it on your hair, and that's this product. It's nice and thick, but it's not too thick. You know, like sometimes you get puddings that are just way too thick and they don't whip them up enough, but this one is like the perfect texture. It melts right into your hair. So to me, this was good for it being a leave-in and styling product because I really feel like I could have just used this one product for my entire twist out and that be it. But because it was another styling product in the box, I wanted to give it a try too. But this one feels amazing. Oh my gosh, it feels so good. Now, I also ended up using the Style Jelly. I don't know how you want to pronounce that, but the styling jelly. And normally I don't use gels on my hair, especially when I do twist outs. I normally just like butters and they work really well for me. But I was like, you know what? I'm gonna give this a try too because it's supposed to be for a little bit extra hold. And I wasn't sure how much hold the curling pudding, souffle, whatever it's called had. So I used a little bit of this. Now it really is truly a jelly. It has the same smell as all the other products, and the consistency of this is very light. It's lighter than I thought it would be, but maybe that's the reason it's called the gelée or jelly and not just a gel. Now, I will say with this jelly, I am not fond of it because I don't feel like it really did much to my hair at all. I actually feel like when I put it on after the pudding, it made my hair feel a little like squeaky. It wasn't moisturized anymore. So I only used a very small amount like on each one of my twists that I did. And after a few, I was just like, I'm kind of overusing the jelly because it's not really doing much for me. So I ended up doing the majority of my hair with just the pudding, and I feel like it still came out really well. I forgot to mention to you guys, these products are supposed to be for elongating your hair as well. I definitely have to say that I agree that it did that for mine. Normally when I've done my 3-strand twist outs, it's a little bit more shrunken, especially on the bottom layer. But this time I didn't even have to put a blow dryer to it to like stretch it out. I didn't put it up in my pineapple to stretch it either. And it just came out looking really good. It kind of looks like second day hair length, but it still has all the definition to it. So I'm loving this hair a lot. So the very last product that I tried out from this line was the Reshaping Shine Butter. This is what it looks like. You get 3.75 ounces and it's also color safe as well. Now, this little baby right here, we got it last month as the like teaser for this month's box. It was supposed to be a sneak peek. Of course, I didn't do the video, but I did get the product. And when I first opened it up, I was kind of like, this is interesting. I've never seen a product like this before with this type of texture and consistency. So I touched it a little bit and I ran it across my fingers because it says reshaping butter. And I'm like, what does that mean exactly, reshaping butter? So I ended up just doing that. I smelled it. I was like, it smells okay, not impressed. And then I threw it in the pile with my other products that I don't use. And so this month when we got the box, I'm like, okay, I have to really try this product now and see what it's about. So I ended up just using this as kind of like a takedown oil when I unravel my twist, and it actually ended up working great, giving my hair shine and a little bit more moisture, and then also keeping the frizz at bay, because I dare you tell me where you see a piece of frizz in my hair right now. Like, this is super defined. Super defined, and this helped with the takedown process for sure. Now I will say, before I put this on my hair, just feeling my twists, they did feel a little, I don't want to say dry, but they just didn't feel as moisturized as they normally do when I use other products. They still felt okay, but I feel like this amped it up a little bit more when I used it. If you guys are interested in seeing a full tutorial video of how I do my 3-strand twist, give this video a thumbs up and also comment in the comment section below that you want to see that type of video. I have one on here, but someone mentioned that I probably should do like updated videos of some of my tutorials because they're really old. I use the same technique, but I use different products sometimes. So if you guys want to see what kind of like my main products are for my 3-strand twist outs that are fail proof, then let me know that and I'll bring that video to you next, or maybe a video after. I don't know when it'll be, but I'll definitely do it for you guys. So that is pretty much it for the Curlkit takeover unboxing and demo. Let me know if you guys like these types of videos and you want me to demo more products from the Curlkit boxes. Let me know what you think about my hair. Are you gonna try these products out? Let me know. So last but not least, if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and show your girl some love. If you are not a subscriber, go ahead and hit that little red subscribe button and join the family as always. And until next time, I will see all of you beauties later. Bye.